Alright, so anyway, set up my Hero GoPro 10 right on the step, and this is me shooting with the iPhone, the underwater robotic pool cleaner, or a video that I'm doing for that specific product. And as you can see, this is what I shot with the iPhone in the case, and it was an iPhone 14 Pro Max shooting 4K. This is the GoPro. You can see the GoPro really has phenomenal video. This was a little bit dingy. I think it's because at this point I was in the shadows, but still I got a pretty good video on it. You got to remember, you're shooting through a plastic screen. For the most part, it worked pretty good. Now you're going to see it's going to come into the light, and you're going to notice it gets a little bit better. And you can contrast this with the GoPro. You can see the GoPro really has a much better image quality, but this will definitely do in a pinch. Here's the machine going up the wall and spinning around and coming back down. So I would have to say that the Shellbox works great for your iPhone. I mean, you know, as long as you got ample light. If you don't have the light, could be problems. And here I am, still videotaping. Alright, if you like this video, subscribe to my channel and check out my other awesome videos on stuff like this. Peace out.